What up? New sneaker unboxing today from Facebook group. Got a great price on this pair of shoes. So take a look. Nike SB. Take it out real quick since this doesn't have a lid for the shoes. So these are the Nike SB Dunk Low TRD Quickstrike Dark Obsidian. Yeah, he was able to grab these at the Nike outlet a long time ago. So it comes with the Obsidian dark navy laces. It looks black, but it's obsidian. Here's the shoes, collab with the Murasaki. I don't know if the lighting is good, but you can tell that there's like some cement elephant print right here all throughout the shoe. Got some suede, got some leather, white laces, Nike SB Ride Life. We got the 73 on the back. These are dead stock. But here is the other pair. Check it out. SB Ride Life. This is the 19 here. So it's gonna say 1973 on the back. But these are the SBs. It's a dark obsidian colorway. So, yeah. Details crazy, but yeah. Looks nice. Got these for $60. Not bad. Leave a comment down below and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. I'm out. Peace.